Yo, what is up, YouTube? We got another video coming at you today. This video is called Railroad. It is by Meat Canyon. So make sure you guys check out the original video. It'll be down in the description. Let's get into it. I have no idea what it's gonna be about. The picture, the thumbnail looks very ominous. Let's go. All right.
I always forgot how
Okay.
beautiful it can be.
I'm pretty sure that's Cars from Lightning McQueen.
Right about that, Lightning McQueen.
There we go.
Sometimes it feels like we're the only two people in the world that know about this spot.
Is this about to get romantic?
Funny you should say that, because I saw a train on my way up here today.
Well, trains are pretty common around these parts. I mean, there's tracks everywhere.
Well, it was downright strange. It wasn't like no train I'd never seen before.
Probably wasn't a train, was it? It's probably something different.
Was it blue? Like a mystical blue. Almost as if the train had become one with the air around it.
Whoa, oh, yes! I couldn't have said it any better myself, Lightning. Man, that's exactly what it looked like.
When I had that wreck a while back,
Oh,
This is
boy,
so weird. I don't know how to feel.
We all didn't think you were gonna make it out alive.
that's pretty weird.
It's a
When I
ghost
had the
train?
wreck, I had such an odd dream.
Oh shit. He got to the other side.
It was a strange feeling. It was a place I've never seen before, but felt as if I'd spent a lifetime there.
Why is he on a platform?
And the only resemblance from the normal world was the sound of a train coming my way. I felt fear more than anything.
Chugga, chugga, chugga.
Though it was the sound of a train, it felt like a thunderstorm. Like an earthquake was going to destroy the ground around me. And I would fall into a sea of nothingness.
Fuck that noise. Go the other way.
Anxiously holding my breath and
Fuck that
brace
train.
for impact.
Go the other way.
But the impact never came.
Yep.
Instead
Go the other
a
way.
smiling face appeared.
I'm pretty sure that's from a cartoon for little kids.
Darkness, pale and cold, screeched forward on its tracks, only to stop right in front of me.
Oh no. No. Don't you. I'm not looking inside. You better not.
It was as if I'd never spoken a single word in my life.
Fuck!
I couldn't conjure a single sentence to say to him. But the
I bet
train
that
finally
thing doesn't
spoke,
blink one time.
and I can still hear his voice in my mind.
I have seen past the farthest star, and I have gone to the edges of the earth.
Fuck everything. No.
If you so choose,
No.
I can give you all the things you never knew you wanted.
No means no.
Taste from the tallest chalice. Dine at the largest halls.
Fuck this train.
All I ask in return is your soul. Your soul for a chance at a life without pain, without heartache. All this I can give you
They got my man Lightning McQueen in the cosmos.
just for your soul.
In the abyss.
I asked back to him, what of life after death? What of the paradises that await me in heaven above? The train did not look to me. It didn't make a single sound. Through all the steam and moving parts controlling this demonic vessel, its only reply was,
Drain your woes. Your God has turned his back on you. That's why my tracks still push me forward.
Scariest train ever.
My body was afraid. Something new and unknown. May it be death? May it be hardship. Suddenly I woke from this nightmare.
Fuck this campfire
Wow.
tale.
I tell you what, that's downright horrifying.
Well, I haven't really slept well since then.
Oh, come on, Lightning. It's just a train. Nothing to be afraid
He
of.
said, was
out
it blue
here.
like the sky?
I know you're right. There's nothing to be afraid of now.
Oh, fucking sheesh. These videos are so crazy. Thank you so much for whoever requested that video. That was great. Shout out to Meat Canyon. Shout out to everyone who watches this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. See you guys.